Limited. Defunct. Ultra rare.
Hats and caps unboxings. Today we have an NHL New Era cap, legendary team, original 6, one of the most winningest franchises in all of hockey. Let's take a look at what we have in today. And there we have it, the Detroit Red Wings. Let me first start off with this. If you like this type of content, subscribe. If you like New Era caps, subscribe. If you like NHL New Era caps, subscribe to this channel. If you want to purchase anything, all the information is in the description, including links, free shipping, all that. New Era Detroit Red Wings. 1926 they were founded in, and they are 11-time Stanley Cup champions. This team is legendary. Absolutely legendary. Up close look of the logo. This cap is like dark navy. It is almost, on the color scale, it's almost like black. It's just like a shade under. So yes, let's take a look at 7 3/4, 59.50. Beauty. And let's take a look at other details of the cap. Dark UV on this bad boy. If any OG, I don't know if OG is the right word, but any of you New Era fans have been wearing caps for a while, you know something with the script here. Originators, the fitted. And if you know this tag, 7 3/4, but notice that it's an older one, so this hat was probably made before 2017. NHL. So what do you think of this cap? Hate it or like it? Love it? Dislike it? Pretty simple, pretty clean Detroit Red Wings cap. No side patches, no other type of pizzazz going on. Just a simple, clean logo. Red Wings logo, including the New Era on the side and the NHL shield on the back. So thank you for watching this. Like I said, if you like this type of content, subscribe. And we'll catch you on the next one. More NHL New Era hats on the way. See you later.